Welcome to Flux Reach, and thank you for joining this video where we talk about affiliate marketing for bloggers and vloggers in the United Kingdom. This channel is focused on practical and realistic ways to grow online income through honest content. In this video, we will look at how affiliate marketing works in a clear and responsible way. The goal is to help creators understand the system before jumping into it. Everything shared here is based on general education, not promises or guarantees. Let us begin by building a strong foundation together. Affiliate marketing is a method where creators earn a commission by promoting products or services through tracked links. When someone clicks your link and completes a valid action, the network records it. This model works well for bloggers and vloggers because it fits naturally into content creation. It rewards trust and long-term audience relationships. Success depends on relevance, transparency, and consistency. It is important to understand that results vary for every creator. For a United Kingdom audience, choosing region-specific affiliate networks makes a big difference. These networks work directly with brands that operate legally within the country. Payments, tracking, and support are usually smoother when everything is locally aligned. This also helps with audience trust because products are familiar and accessible. United Kingdom-focused networks often provide better reporting tools. They also follow advertising and consumer protection standards. One well-known affiliate network for United Kingdom creators is Awin. Awin connects publishers with thousands of brands across fashion, finance, technology, and lifestyle. The platform offers clear dashboards and detailed performance reports. Approval requirements vary depending on the advertiser. Content quality and traffic sources are reviewed carefully. This encourages responsible promotion and long-term partnerships. Another respected platform is Partnerize, which focuses on performance-based partnerships. Partnerize works with large brands and emphasizes compliance and transparency. The platform is designed for creators who want structured and professional collaborations. It supports content creators who value brand safety and audience trust. This makes it suitable for serious bloggers and vloggers. Proper disclosure and honest reviews are expected at all times. Before joining any affiliate network, creators should prepare their platforms carefully. Blogs should have clear navigation, original articles, and a visible privacy policy. Video channels should have consistent uploads and clear descriptions. Networks often check content quality and audience engagement. This process protects both advertisers and creators. Preparation increases approval chances and builds credibility. Choosing the right products is more important than choosing high commission rates alone. Products should solve real problems for your United Kingdom audience. Relevance leads to better engagement and stronger trust. Promoting items you understand helps you explain them clearly. This also reduces misleading claims. Honest promotion supports long-term channel growth. High-commission products often include software subscriptions, online services, and financial tools. These products usually pay recurring or higher percentage commissions. However, they also require clear explanations and responsible messaging. Creators should explain features, limitations, and suitability. This aligns with platform policies and viewer expectations. Transparency always comes first. Product reviews should be balanced and informative. A good review explains what the product does, who it is for, and who it may not suit. Sharing personal experience or research adds value. Avoid exaggerated claims or unrealistic outcomes. This protects your channel from policy issues. Viewers appreciate clear and calm explanations. Disclosure is a key part of affiliate marketing. Viewers should always know when a link may earn a commission. This can be stated clearly in video descriptions and spoken naturally. Disclosure builds trust rather than reducing it. Many platforms and laws require this practice. It also aligns with ethical content creation. For vloggers, affiliate links work best when placed naturally in the content. Tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos are common formats. Links should be relevant to what is being discussed. Overloading descriptions with unrelated links can confuse viewers. Focus on quality over quantity. This approach supports audience satisfaction. For bloggers, written content allows deeper explanations and search visibility. Long-form articles can cover product features in detail. Using clear headings and simple language improves readability. Including real use cases helps readers decide. Search-focused content grows steadily over time. Patience is important in this process. Tracking performance helps creators improve their strategy. Affiliate dashboards show clicks, conversions, and earnings. Reviewing this data helps identify what content works best. It also shows which products resonate with your audience. Decisions should be based on patterns, not single results. Learning from data is part of growth. United Kingdom audiences value honesty and practicality. Overly promotional content can reduce trust quickly. Focus on education and usefulness instead of pressure. Explain how products fit into real-life situations. Respect your audience's time and intelligence. This approach builds a loyal community. Consistency plays a major role in affiliate success. Posting regularly keeps your audience engaged and informed. It also helps platforms recognize your channel as active. Results often improve gradually rather than instantly. Staying consistent builds momentum over time. This is a long-term effort. Compliance with platform rules is essential. Content should avoid misleading statements or unsupported claims. Always follow advertising standards and community guidelines. This protects your channel from penalties. Responsible content creation supports sustainable growth. It also benefits your viewers. Affiliate marketing works best when combined with audience interaction. Responding to comments builds trust and understanding. Viewers often ask questions before making decisions. Clear answers improve confidence. This also helps shape future content ideas. Community feedback is valuable. As your channel grows, you may build direct relationships with brands. These partnerships often start through affiliate networks. Maintaining professionalism increases these opportunities. Brands look for creators who respect guidelines. Long-term relationships are built on trust. This benefits both sides. It is important to remember that affiliate marketing is not instant income. It requires learning, testing, and patience. Growth depends on effort, content quality, and audience trust. Avoid comparisons with others. Focus on steady improvement. Every creator's journey is different. Thank you for watching this video on Flux Reach and staying until the end. If you found the video helpful, please subscribe to this channel for more useful content. Like the video if it added value to your understanding. If you have any questions or thoughts, leave them in the comments section below. Your feedback helps improve future videos. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.